Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will learn how to build the board support package for Renesas RZ G2L Evaluation Kit microprocessing unit using Yocto project. So first let's clear out these terms of board support package and Yocto. Board support package is a package that contains essential software which is needed by a computer hardware to work with the computer's operating system. While Yocto project is a collection of tools and metadata and some configuration files which are used to generate custom Linux images, and those images are then flashed onto these kind of boards so that they can boot up and work as normal operating system. So let's take a look at the picture of the evaluation kit that we will be using. So here you can see the common career board that we'll be using for this evaluation kit, and this is the system on module chip of RZG2L series. This is the system on module, which is a dual core CPU. And on the right hand side, you can see USB connector cable. So let's begin with the tutorial. First of all, you would need to install all the essential tools and utilities for the Yocto project to execute and build successfully. So I have already installed these on my system, so it will take a quick while. So after that, let's create a separate directory for our project where we will keep our stuff. And now let's move on to the sources that we are required to use to build this board support package. So from this Renesas website link, you can download this verified Linux package that contains all the required layers that we are required to build within the Yocto project to build the custom Linux image. So you have to move the zip image to your current directory and then unzip this folder, and then you have to extract it from tar command. So there you can see the layers that have become extracted now. So further on we again have another package which is multi-OS package, and you can download it from this link. Here it is downloaded, and again you have to bring that to the current directory. And here we will now unzip this folder and then extract the layer content within this directory that we are working on. Now to fetch custom build configurations, we will run template command that will bring configurations from Meta Renesas layer, and alongside it we have sourced the Poki environment as well. So let's look at the configuration that we just brought in here. We can see two files where local.conf defines machine, distro and user configurations, and then we have bb layer file where we can see all the layers that we have brought in from the verified Linux package. You can see Poki, Meta Open Embedded, Meta Renesas, and everything else we brought in. One thing missing here is the Meta RZ features layer, so we will add this by bitbake add command. And now as we see within the bb layer file, it will be available here. So yes, there you can see Meta RZ G2L is specified for this. So now comes the most important part to set the machine and build the image. For this tutorial, we will be building Core Image Western, which is an image with graphical user interface. And this build will take a while depending upon the specifications of your CPU and so on. So this step might take a couple of hours for your system. And as the build completes, we can see the build artifacts after the completion of build. So let's move on to that part now. So here is the output of this build system containing the bootloader files, the rootfs and the flash writer files. And in the next video, you can check out how we boot up this board using these files.